Looking for a well-maintained luxury SUV? Check out this 2018 Audi SQ5 Premium Plus Sport with just one owner and a complete dealer service history. This Georgia gem has had regular oil changes and a recent service valued at over $795, including spark plugs, oil pan drain plug, air filter, cabin air filter, pre-delivery inspection, and a fresh oil and filter change. Plus, it comes with original books and up-to-date Georgia emissions. This Audi SQ5 is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. You can also add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, in addition to the advertised price, and ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option at the time of sale. We understand that purchasing a car is a big decision, which is why we encourage pre-purchase inspections for your peace of mind. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, warranty, and service plan. Come see this 2018 Audi SQ5 today and drive away with confidence.